Hello, my dear friends. Hope you all are doing great and keep studying and take care of your health amid lockdown. Today, we are going to study the introduction part, that is the behavior of fluids. So, first of all, when you start this chapter, one thing in your mind should come first of all, that what is a fluid. So, Fluid is a fluid are those materials which do not show any resistance to applied force or shear force, and thus they are basically most common fluids come into your mind are gases and liquids, while solids are do not fall under the category of fluids. For a static fluid means there is no external force and the fluid is at rest. Shear force is zero and normal stress may or may not be zero, which depends upon the conditions in which it is subjected to. Then fluids show only resistance in the compressive loads, which we have already seen. And then the second word is mechanics. So mechanics is the branch of science which deals with the forces and their effects on the properties of the substance, while kinematics do not do so. In the first figure, we see that when a shear force is applied, then the rate of deformation of particles is directly proportional to it. While in the second figure, we see the uh, shape of a differential element which is changed from ABCD to ABC dash D dash with an angular deformation of theta. So, what is the basic difference between solids and liquids? In solids, which we deal in SOMs, the deformation is taken into account, and that too, if it is in an elastic limit, the deformation is zero. But if it is loaded beyond the elastic point, then the permanent deformation occurs. While in case of fluids, which we study in fluid mechanics, there the deformation is not important, but rate of deformation, in which the time in which that deformation occurs comes into play. And secondly, solids regain their original shape when unloaded after loading up to elastic limit. Therefore, they are called high memory substance. But liquids never return, and thus they are called zero mercury substance. So that's all for today's lecture. Thank you and have a nice day.